How to log into your TikTok account without password. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. So let's say you want to log into another account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on this down arrow icon at the top and then tap on add account. Well, in order to log into your TikTok account without password, your account should be created with your Facebook account, Google account or Twitter account. Well, I have created my account through my Google account, so just tap on continue with Google. Now select the Google account associated with your TikTok account. And there you go, you have been successfully logged into your TikTok account without password. So that's it, and this is simply how you can log into your TikTok account without password. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.